My dad's finally out of the hospital after a full week, sort of 6 days. So that's good news for me. So my dad's gonna be there for my birthday, you know. So and you see, we at the supply house, gonna get some windows. Some of the stuff take days, such as the chimney, but it's gonna take a day. So I decided to show you the main part of how you put the windows in. Yeah, and I'm so glad that my dad's finally back home and all. And to tell you the truth, two black girls mistreat him, you know, they treat him crap, you know. I'm really disappointed. That's why I don't care for black girls that much, man. They so me, but I know that not all black girls are not that way, man. Alright, it's Saturday afternoon. There are 4 windows coming out. You can see. So it's gonna be a piece of cake.
Heavy windows.
Yeah, heavy windows. So you remember Mike from SB Superstar Goes Cruising? Well, he's gonna be there as well to help us a hand. And my dad as well, so it's gonna be the 4 of us total. Yeah, this is 1 day's work, so you're gonna see how we get started in 1 day, fellas. This is how much a window costs for installation. You know, we're making a ton of money. Hope you can see that. Those are the orders. So Angel, where we going? Do we go to the job site or go to the house to meet Dad? My dad.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll go back to the house to meet him.
Yeah, we'll wait there.
Okay. Michael's picking up my dad, so we're probably gonna meet him there and then on to the job site. Anyways, first you locate the windows, and then there's certain way to take them out. So you need to get the windows out without damaging the sides, right?
So you're still hanging out on the internet?
Yeah. This is Mike.
Don't
Whoa. Now I know he's a good friend of my dad and helping us out on and off. I'm gonna let that slide. But anybody got a problem with a camera in their face is a fucking asshole. They're definitely not my friend. No way, no how. This is not what I'm looking for. Unless they got a very good reason. Otherwise, it completely ruins my day. And that pisses me off. Big disgrace. He doesn't know that I've taken it very seriously or showing you guys how to install a window on this video, but just ignore them and our humor. Because we are having a good time.
Okay. I want it to pull from. There you go.
Once that's in place, you take the window out and measure it to see if it fits, and then it's all done.
How do you know? How do you know it's done?
Well, that's average.
Can you give me a knife? Much better.
I got it. Knife, anyway, I can't see it.
What do you need? Knife. Knife? Okay. Knife. I saw it at the back of the truck.
Oh, there it is.
Let me go hold that thing. Yeah, knife.
Knife, you give it.
A slice? Yeah. Same thing for that house, right? Yeah. Hold on. I have to go outside. You need oxygen? Yeah, no.
Did you say?
Be careful, man. up there. Right? I can cut myself, you know.
That's what I'm saying. Be careful, man.
Pick it up. I got it.
Alright.
Pick it up. Push.
If it don't fit the first time, you gotta cut off the edges of the window in order to make it fit.
Angel,
Yes.
there's nowhere I can push because here is this place. See?
Yeah.
It's too high.
You have to push down more here.
Alright, nice and fit. Now you need a cork gun to finish it off. First you gotta take the edges and put them in. You need to put the trims back where it belongs and paste the cork on all sides of the window so that nothing comes in or out of the window. And sorry, I've been blank. That got nothing to say. And that's how you install a window. And if you're a beginner, probably take you around like 10 or 20 minutes, maybe half an hour, depending on the size of the window. But if you're a professional, it would be quick on the like 20 minutes tops, because of the rough old window parts you gotta take out first before putting the windows out. Okay. Then, if you like what you see, please subscribe. Now on my way to finish installing the other 3 windows.
How long you been?